Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards here. We have Astronomer of Spheres, Initiate of Moons, and Three of Stars. So Virgos, in your situation, this may be in your work situation or this may be in your personal life. So today you are maybe really sad because there is something irreversible happening or that has happened. You are just wishing that things were different. Maybe this person you love, they have left you. So some kind of difficulty or you are missing them, or maybe you are you are simply sad, maybe thinking of the past. Maybe, guys. And I also see that today you have an attraction towards someone, guys. There is someone really interesting, but you have not got over your past. You are still missing this past person. So you don't know whether to go for this new person who looks so attractive and interesting and really hard to resist this connection. So you are interested in this new love, but this old person is also there in your mind, and whatever dreams and goals you had with this person, it is simply making you cry. You are missing this person terribly, guys. So this may be your energy towards your past person or their energy towards you. Maybe they are missing you terribly or you are missing them like crazy and you are always thinking of them. And maybe with this new love right in front of you, it is still reminding you of the days, maybe the happy days you had with this person. So it is kindling the past memories for you. So you do not have clarity whether to choose this person, this present person, or wait for some more time to get over your past hurt. And maybe for some of you, you are having someone you can trust in your life. It may be your friend, sibling, someone whom you can relate to, talk to about everything. So if there is someone like that and they are suggesting you certain things, you must listen to them, guys, because their guidance is going to help you, because the way they see things, their perception is different from yours. So you are up close and personal in your life, and it may hinder your vision, your future for yourself, and it may obstruct the way things are. So you may not be in a position to make the right decision. So this person can guide you, guys, Virgo. So if you have someone you can trust, you need to take their suggestions on this situation, whether to go for this new love or whether to wait for some more time for this old love. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos, in your situation. And I also see in your career, things are going really well. You are going to see success and prosperity, guys, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, Meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. So this card is from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So let's see what is the guidance. So I will keep this card aside and we will see what is the card for y'all. The first card. And the crystal, the guidance. Tiger Eye. So this is your crystal guidance, guys. I hope you can see the card here. I will leave the crystal here. So this crystal stands for positive intentions. So whatever we want to manifest in our life today, let it be our career situation or let it be our relationship, when we have positive intentions, it is going to work out in a positive way, guys. And just being interested in someone does not mean that we are going towards marriage or a deep commitment. So you need not have any fear towards knowing someone you are really interested in. Just maybe asking them out or just meeting up with that person does not mean anything great. You can just know them as a friend. Maybe you are having some kind of blocks in your mind. Maybe you have something blocking you from moving towards someone you are interested in. And this crystal guidance is not only having those dreams and fantasies, some wishful thinking. It stands for action. So you can ask them out, maybe spend time with this person you are interested in. And maybe if you are optimistic, if you have positive intentions towards this connection, it may work out well for you guys, and you will not feel sorry for knowing them or going out of the way, maybe taking this first step today in this relationship, today towards this person you are interested in. So with this card, the guidance is that maybe some of you all are just worried or something is holding you back from connecting to someone you are interested in. But you need not fear. You have to let go all your fears and you can move forward and you will not regret that you took this first step, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card and the second crystal. So let's see what is the card. It is Blue Beard. Taboos. So for those who chose this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you are maybe in a relationship with someone or you are having a friendship with someone, but you do not know them very well. Maybe they are hiding some secrets, and maybe if it is something small, it is not to worry, but this person may be dangerous. They want you to know only their better qualities, and they are hiding some things evil. Maybe they have evil intentions. And if you have people, your soul family, maybe your friends or family members who are really concerned about your welfare, who are having positive intentions towards you, and you know them very well, you trust them very well. And if this person is suggesting you certain things, is advising you against this relationship or against this connection, you need to listen to it, guys, and you need to be curious about this person. Maybe if you do not have clarity about what are their intentions, you have to have curiosity, find out what is there in their mind. Maybe your curiosity may help you out of some difficult situation, guys. Maybe holding on to secrets is nothing bad. But if this relationship involves obedience or some kind of punishment, you need to take a step back, think, then make a right decision, guys, for you and for this relationship. Maybe it holds some hidden dangers. You have to be really careful, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.